up, gentlemen? Whoa, hold up. Are you okay? Gentlemen, what's the matter? What's that? She did what? What the is wrong with her? You're the most amazing dude I've ever met. If you agree, drop me one of these to be like, yo, Alpha, I am the man. And it's her loss. But gentlemen, good news. Because your boy Alpha has a little something up his freaking sleeve. And today we are going to make her ass so jealous, it's ridiculous, because I'm going to go over a 30-day plan to make her jealous and miss the shit out of you. It's my time. So the first thing you need to do for the next 30 days is stop texting or posting or calling or engaging with her. Oh, geez, Alpha, I don't know if I can. Brian? The only way you're gonna make this work, gentlemen, is if you separate yourself and you're not constantly like there. You've got to remove yourself from the situation. The situation is that spicy ass. As soon as you guys break up, she is gonna go directly to your social media profile. She wants to see how you're handling it, what you're saying, and the best thing you can do to get her thinking like, what the hell is going on with them, is stop posting anything. For this to work and for her to actually miss you and get super jealous of what we're about to do, you can't have her seeing what you're doing. The third thing I need you to start doing, gentlemen, if you're not already doing it, is taking better care of your body, right? I'm not gonna go into it, but you gotta start working out. Every day, I want you doing something, whether or not it's push-ups, it's going to the gym, it's push-ups. You've gotta start taking care of your body and creating a Greek god-like physique that the senoritas are gonna go loco about. The other amazing byproduct of you starting to exercise a little bit more is that it changes your brain. You start feeling better about yourself. When you feel better about yourself, you're not all super like, oh God, why'd you leave me? The fourth thing you need to do for the next 30 days, every single day, I want you to perform one random act of kindness. When you start doing random acts of kindness and actually looking for opportunities every single day to do them, you're starting to change your brain. You're also giving yourself an outlet for doing things for other people without actually expecting anything in return. Whether or not it's paying for somebody's coffee in line at Starbucks, or giving up a seat for somebody, or opening the door for somebody. Random little small acts of kindness, gentlemen, go a long way. They also give you an outlet for you wanting to do things. Which brings us to the next thing I need you to do every single day for the next 30 days, which is give one compliment to 2 people. Now, preferably these people are strangers, right? People you don't know. This is gonna do a few things. Number one, it's gonna force you outside of your comfort zone to actually engage and talk with people you might not normally talk to. The whole reason why this is incredibly powerful and effective is because we are trying to build your self-esteem. We're also simultaneously increasing your people skills. Now, we're gonna help you look like a sexy ninja. It's time to step outside of your comfort zone, gentlemen, in terms of your style. It's time to try new things. Gentlemen, this is the new you we're talking about. Go shopping, ask some super sexy, sassy sales associate. What do you think of me in these jeans, baby? Smack your ass. She's gonna be like, damn, son, you're sexy. I can't believe you're single. Actually, do you wanna go out tonight and do it? It could happen. When you look good, you feel good, gentlemen. That is why you're also gonna go and get a fresh cut. Maybe go get a tight, fresh fade, baby, or grow it out a little bit, or simply upgrade your hair product in order to have better hair. Gentlemen, if you want 2 products that are going to take your hair's game to the next level, you need to try Pete & Pedro Putty and Salt. Gentlemen, these 2 products are the best products on the market, period. The way that I use this, guys, right out of the shower, right, my hair, I towel dry, and then a few spritzes of this in your hair. Using a sea salt spray as a pre-styler before you add your product is an incredible way to add texture and volume to your hair. You're also not gonna need as much hair product, but the product I would recommend is the Pete & Pedro Putty. It is a high hold, low shine product that is incredibly versatile. If you have not tried the sea salt spray or the Pete & Pedro Putty, I'm gonna link to them down below. Go read the reviews. It's not just my opinion. Everybody loves these products. But if you're like, yo, I don't know if those products are right for me, no problem. Pete & Pedro has an incredible tool. All you do, guys, is tell us what hairstyle, how much hold, how much shine, and then we're going to auto-generate you a perfect recommendation for you and your amazing hair. Next thing I need you to do starting today is let your facial hair grow. You gotta remember that the 30 days that we are embarking on, it's a reinvention, right, of you. And so the next thing I need you to do is change the way you smell. It is time to upgrade and elevate in order to dazzle the senses of all those spicy senoritas. How are you gonna do it? Simple. Rebel or Hero, the new 2 incredible EDP fragrances by Pete and Pedro. As if you're ready to take your fragrance game to the next level and not have to spend like $350 on something like Creed Aventus. Now don't get me wrong, Creed Aventus is a monster in terms of compliments. I know, because this used to be my everyday go-to. The inspiration for Rebel is Creed Aventus. Now, it's not a clone, right? I didn't just clone Creed Aventus. I used it as an inspiration. But if you like this, you're gonna love this. The other thing you're gonna love, guys, under $50. It's just so good, gentlemen, I'm telling you. The compliments I get with this, honestly, are more than when I used to actually wear Creed Aventus. Now I only wear this. Actually, some days I wear that. The other days, I wear Hero. Hero, the second incredible EDP fragrance. Gentlemen, here's the deal. The reviews are coming in. People are freaking loving this. Now, the inspiration for Hero, my second all-time favorite fragrance that I used to get a ton of compliments on, which is Aqua de Jo. Except, we took it up a notch and actually made Aqua better, if you can believe it. Guys, this stuff lasts incredibly long. It's a little better, a little sexier. You guys are gonna love it. If you like the cool, fresh crispness of Aqua, you are freaking going to love Hero. This stuff is amazing. The reviews are coming in and everybody is incredibly excited about this fragrance. Guys, I'm gonna link to both fragrances. You can buy them as a combo set, which is gonna save you a little bit of money, but something else that's gonna save you money is that discount code down below that you can use on any product that we sell at Pete and Pedro, including the hair product, the fragrances, the body wash, the dop kit, anything and everything that we sell at Pete and Pedro. Hold up, I just thought of something. Since we're talking about smelling, are you sure everything's kosher down there, gentlemen? If you're a little like this, she might be like, yo, telling all her girlfriends like Brian's awesome, but his junk, it smells like a hoagie. Gentlemen, do not let your junk smell like a hoagie. The only way that you're gonna do that is by hitting them with a little chassis before you leave the house. Chassis is the only powder I trust on the outfit nuts, because I know a little bit of chassis before I leave the house, boom, I'm fresh, I'm dry, I'm smelling amazing all day long. Gentlemen, if you want your boys to smell like mine, amazing, hit the link down below. Go check out Chassis on Amazon. They got regular, they got ice, they got ice max. This stuff is the best. The next step in the 30-day Alpha M plan to make your spicy ex-senorita jealous is to actually engage with your friends. Guys, it is time to connect with your friends and your loved ones, all right? This should probably be done as soon as you break up or you're feeling lonely, because they are gonna be there to help you get through this hard situation in time. The other thing that your friends are gonna help you with is to actually get out there and do fun shit. The idea is to get out, be active, be around different people. Guys, go to parks, go to parties, go to concerts, do whatever you need to do to get out and about. And the beautiful thing, gentlemen, is that now you're looking super fresh and fine and you're smelling amazing. If you could potentially run into her friends, even better. Oh my God, Sheila, I just saw Brian. He looks amazing. And he smelled delicious. Week number 3, now's when we're gonna start introducing you back into the wild, right? I want you to post a picture of you out with your friends doing something fun, but not with another girl. At the 3-week mark, this is when she's having all sorts of crazy things going on in her head. She hasn't seen you, she hasn't talked to you, you're not posting social media stuff, and so she's like, what the hell is happening? Is he even alive? And then you're like, yes, I am alive. Not only am I alive, I'm doing amazing. But if you're like, yo, here's a sassy senorita, she could go like, yo, you suck, and I'm gonna go sleep with Brian. Now, chances are at this point, she's gonna reach out to you. Hey, how you doing? You doing okay? Hey, I saw that picture. It looked fun. What's going on? Have you been doing well? And the answer is yes. I hope you're doing well as well. That's it. Back off. Back off. Boom. Right? She's gonna be like, what? Hope I'm doing well. Don't you mean I miss you like crazy? Will you take me back? Yeah, you don't do that. And now all of a sudden she's like, what the hell is going on? You're looking so good. You're feeling incredible about yourself. You also are getting all sorts of attention from all these lovely ladies that are like, damn, right? Checking you out, coming up and giving you a sniff, right? I'm telling you, it is going to happen. And you're gonna be like, yo, I don't even know if I want to get back with her. But if you just want to test the waters, I'm gonna let you. Week number 4, gentlemen, now's the time when you send a text. I just saw something that made me think of you. Hope you're doing well. Send. Or, I saw something made me smile and I thought of you. Hope you're well. Or, just, hey, hope you're doing well. It's been a while. That's it. set the phone down and just let it be, right? And it'll be what it'll be. Now, she may say, hey, would you like to get together for some coffee or whatever? If you want to, go for it, right? You can let her see what you've become, which is even better than she ever knew that you could possibly be. It's up to you. If you want to go kick it with her, go kick it with her. It's not for me to say, but I would be of the assumption that you're already feeling incredible, right? You've already had opportunities to get with other senoritas, so do you really want to get back with her? You guys had problems. You broke up for a reason, and then even if you get back together, you're always going to be thinking, oh, I wonder if she's going to break up with me again. Gentlemen, it is a recipe for disaster. There's a reason it ended. Now, does it mean that you don't want her to regret it? Absolutely not. Does it mean that you shouldn't look amazing? The answer is no. You are the man.